In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money in Arena Breakout. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This video is a starting guide for anyone who just downloaded Arena Breakout and is interested in making more money. As you can see, your money is displayed over here. It's called Coin, and you will use it in order to buy everything from supplies to armor, helmets, etc. You will be able to manage your money and talk to your contacts in order to spend it. If you just started out the game, what you have to do in order to start earning money is go to your contacts, select any of your contacts, and see if they have missions available. As you can see, for this mission, for Joel, he's going to give me 2,000 coin. So all you have to do after you find a suitable mission is to accept it and fulfill the requests from the mission you selected. Depending on the contact that you have, they might have more missions available, but as long as you have a mission active, you will be able to earn money from completing it. You have other options to earn money as well, like leveling up, entering battle, and looting stuff. And if you go over to your character page, you also have the option to sell items. Of course, common items like water bottles and bandages won't sell for much, but depending on what you have, you will be able to earn a lot of money from selling it on the market. I hope I was able to help you on how to make money in Arena Breakout. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.